What's a floating static route? It's a backup used when your primary route fails. A crucial safety net. Refer to the exhibit. Which route must be configured on R1 so that OSPF routing is used when OSPF is up, but the server is still reachable when OSPF goes down? Route 10.1.10, 255, 255.255, 255, GI 0125. Explanation. This is an example of a floating static route when the administrative distance must be greater than the primary route. Currently, the OSPF AD for the route is 110. So if that route was to go away, then this route with an AD of 125 would be used. Ready to ace your CCNA? Let's boost your brain with quick flashcards. Study smart. Save it. Practice. See you soon for more flashcards, networking, labs, and CCNA tips.